श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शंकराचार्य मध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। We are continuing with the 7th chapter of Bhagavad Gita, and after the 7th chapter of Bhagavad Gita is over, we will be starting with Bhaja Govinda. After the 18 chapter summaries are over, we will start with Bhaja Govinda. Okay. So, being Vidyarambham today, a new lesson needs to be taught. So, the introduction of Bhaja Govindam is what I am going to give today. After this, our regular classes will continue of Bhagavad Gita. Only after that we will continue with Bhaja Govinda. Right? Now. Aharartam karma kuryad ajasram syad aharam pranasandharanartam pranadharat tattvajnanartam tattvajneyam kopi dukkho na bhuyaha. Why do you eat food? Aharartam karma kuryad ajasram. If I have to do a lot of work, I need to eat food. If I need to eat food, I need to do a lot of work to earn. Okay. Why do I eat food? What is the use of eating food? What is the purpose of eating food? What is the goal of eating food? Energy. What is that very famous one? The shloka. Ahara nidra bhayamaitunancha samanametat pashubirnaranam. Ahara samana to pashu. So if you are also eating food for energy, pashubhis samanam, equivalent to animal. So that food has to give you something more than just what an animal is expecting. Correct? What it says is aharartam karma kuryada jasram syad aharam prana sandharanartam. Prana sandharanartam. Animals do not have prana sandharanam. What is sandharanam? What is dharanam? To hold. Sandharanam. Hold it properly the way it should be, so that that prana is useful to me, which is pranayama. Once it is in place, my mind and the body will be in place. Correct? Now, if we are not able to do that, the food is useless. Okay. You have to think now 100 times, why are we eating food? Yeah, it starts with that. Pranadharya, why do you need prana sandharana?
that you have a focused mind and a calm mind.
For what?
For Dhyan.
Tattvajnanartham. There is a very clear reason why you need to manage your body and the prana so that your mind is focused on that Tattvajnanartham. And why Tattvajnana? Not any other jnana, not physics jnana, chemistry jnana, biology jnana. Tattvajnana is jnana of that tattva. Why you need that? Kopi dukkho na bhuyaha. With only that knowledge, I will not have any dukkha. Permanently, my dukkhas will be relieved. That means moksha. Samsaro na bhavati. So, very clearly, right from what you are doing, karma, if the goal is kopi dukkho na bhuyaha, then only everything aligns properly. Otherwise, we end up eating anything just for eating and then wasting that energy and wasting the whole life. Now, this particular shloka very clearly is what even Adi Shankara keeps in mind before writing this Bhaja Govinda. What is this blessing which we have, which animals do not have? Intellect means what? They also have intelligence. Prajna and what?
We have the capacity.
Planning means what? What is it called? Purushartha.
Free will.
Purushartha, correct? So we have Purushartha. They don't have Purushartha. So with our Purushartha, what can you do? You can plan. You can work for it. You can put effort for it. And that free will, you can achieve what you want. Now, if you take all your desires, the Vedas categorize the desires into 4 different desires. The first one is Kama Purushartha, a basic desire that I need something is called Kama Purushartha. Now, if you need something as a desire, you need to have the means for it. Without the means, I cannot achieve my desire as a goal. For that, Artha Purushartha. So you will have various goals. I want to become a PhD. It's a Kama Purushartha. For that, Mummy, Daddy, Artha Purushartha. Yeah, without them, you cannot go ahead. Or stipend. Or you should have some amount of getting some freebies from the bank or wherever, sponsorship, somewhere, correct? Other than that, so if you want Kama Purushartha, Artha Purushartha is required. Now, why do you need Kama Purushartha and Artha Purushartha? Again, the same question. Why Ahara? Prana. Why Prana? If it is not finally going to Tattvajnana, all what you do is waste. Correct? So that is why the next stage is you are first working for only yourself to achieve my goals by Artha Kama Purushartha. Then you slowly mature over it. When you mature over it, you start thinking, why only me? Why not little more people around me? Some little animals and trees around me? And like that, that slowly that Dharma Purushartha starts working. When I do some effort so that the beneficiaries are more than me, and in that I anyway achieve my goal. As we say, the Ganges flows. The objective of the Ganges is to go from Himalayas to the Bay of Bengal. लेकिन उस प्रवाह में कितने सारे घर के लोग अपना अपना जो है काम करा के लेते. There is no change in the Ganges because of that. So Dharma Purushartha is this way that when I continue to go with my desire, with Arthagama, I ensure that more beneficiaries are there. That is Dharma Purushartha. The first one or the first two are purely selfish desires. The third one is what we call as religion. Dharma Purushartha, Artha Kama for Dharma. Now you look at it differently. Artha Kama for my desire, or Dharma being a goal, for that I need Artha Kama. Now there is a twist. Someone is. I need to take this. Shiva Shiva. Shiva Shiva. Yeah, I'll call it. Okay. Yeah, I'll call. Sure. Take care. Yeah, take care. Our Sanjay Ketkar's father. A good time of Dasara. Okay. Chalo. So, and a perfect time, you have to now it is the right time to tell. I wanted to tell this in the 8th chapter of Bhagavad Gita, but today itself I will repeat that day also. This person, that is a mic. Give me the mic, I'll take it. This person, 89 years old. Okay, 89 years old. He has done more than 6 crore japas. Every year 1 crore japa.
Different ones every year.
Every year 1 crore japa. Gayatri japa, or it will be the Mrityunjaya mantra, or Sri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram, any like that. Now also 60 lakhs he has completed for this year ka sankalpa of 1 crore. Now, what is it given him? First of all, to have such a commitment to do. This commitment came to him when his ears stopped listening and eyes more or less stopped seeing. Look at it. He said, I am very happy now. Now I don't have to bother anyone about anything. Now no one can trouble me. I will just continue my job. Okay. He is been suffering with terminal cancer for a long period of time. A long period, or maybe 2 months or 3 months is what they know about it.
Yeah.
But obviously, if such a situation is there, he must be suffering for it for a long period of time. They have his whole system fully choked up that he can't even drink his spit. So they have operated and they said that this is the minimum which you need to do. Then only some food will go, some water will go, then only he will survive. We are not talking of changing anything, but at least for survival you need to give. For 5 days he was only with glucose and then removal with catheter. Okay. Then they did the operation. They removed such a big stuff out. Completely liver, lungs, everything fully infected. Okay. When he vomits, you can imagine what will be there. I've seen photographs of his vomiting. This is the situation. Now is his, what I'm going to say is his greatness. How does this work? When you want to know how does this japa works, this is how it works. And there's a practical thing which you have to see. He was admitted in the hospital for this bypass. 1 day before the operation, he sits with Sanjay and he says, Hari, all this will be there. I don't think I'll come home now. You complete, do your operation, what you want, you do your job. This body has to go. Okay. I have not asked water to you in the past 5 days. I will not ask water. I will not ask food. I will not ask. 1 day before the operation, he has got this senses, huh? Nothing else he has told. And then he said, if so many people like Ramana Maharshi or others, Godolekar Maharaj, if they all had to undergo, who am I? So don't bother about it. You do your job, let the doctor do his job, I will do my job, my prarabdham, my shariram, I am no more with it. This is the benefit which you can get only by Nama Japa. Think. You have the ability to detach yourself from the body when it is absolutely, when you understand that state, he is not being given a solid food for more than 6 days. Before that itself, some liquid only used to have. The problem is he can't pass motion because there is nothing to pass out of motion, and whatever comes out is burning like hell. That is his situation. Muh band, kuch awaaz nahi. You go and see him calm, just calm.
Smiling.
From where does this will come? This will comes only when you know one ashraya is only there and nothing else. You have to completely surrender and submit, then don't bother. Accept the fact and leave it there. Okay, so right now I just got a call. He has attained Shivaloka or Vaikunta, wherever. Sadgati ने तो क्या मिलने वाला है यहाँ पे, मोक्षा ने तो क्या मिलेगा बोलो, है कि नहीं? That is what it is. So we need to have that commitment and do it, not bother about what it is, and no trouble to anyone. Huh? Morning he will get up. In a day, how many hours he will do japa? 8 to 10 hours. सुबह उठा, चाय पिया, वही जगह पे बैठ के जप. थोड़ा देर के बाद भूख लगा, कुछ खाया, continue the japa. Take bath and come, sit and do the japa. So you don't require anything. Huh? Don't say I need one माला चाहिए, वो चाहिए, ऐसा चाहिए, कुछ नहीं. और नाटक साइड पे रखो, करना है तो submit, and this is what you can get in front of the eyes. It is visible. So it is not something that at that time someone have got it, अभी कोई नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं. Okay. Correct? What a punyatma. How much of prarabdha should be there that he was able to do 6 crore japa? Apart from that, whenever he used to be fit, he used to regularly do his puja and everything and all, and go to office and everything. He was a school teacher, college teacher, I think. Okay, so such a punyatma is. And this is what I wanted to say about Krishna Gati and Shukla Gati in 8th chapter. But anyway, it has come now itself, the right time I have told you. Okay. Doing japa is a normal practice. How many years? At least about 6 years continuous. Every year 1 crore is the target. Every year 1 crore is the target.
His physical condition was not the motivator.
He says very good. As much as I am disabled, I am happy. That I have no problems. I am not a problem to anyone. No one is a problem to me. They will not ask me to come anywhere. I am very happy by myself.
Nor was the physical body an obstacle for his whatever he was doing.
Okay. Chalo, let's get back to the topic. Correct? Now, so we need to have our purusharthas very clear. Why are we doing it? How are we different from the animals? If we have got a blessing called a purushartha, are we using, our Acharya says, in front of Tirupati Bhagavan, when you stand, I want this, I want this, I want this. And for a moment, just imagine that God asks a question. I gave you one life till so many years you have lived. What did you achieve? What answer you will have? You will have to run away closing your face. That is exactly the question. You can ask hundreds of questions. If one question is asked, you cannot answer it. And that is the point, that we need to have a right goal of our life. A right goal. Along with that, देखो यहाँ से गाड़ी पकड़ के दिल्ली जाना है, बीच में आप वसई उतरो, अहमदाबाद उतरो, बड़ा खाओ, सब खाओ, वापस ट्रेन चालू हुआ तो ट्रेन में बैठो, भूलो मत कि मैं ट्रेन से आया और ट्रेन से आगे जाने का. अहमदाबाद आया, कचौरी खाते खाते ट्रेन भूल गया, ये नौकरी में आया, भूल गया कि दिस इज माय गोल, उधर से शादी किया, भूल गया कि दिस इज माय गोल. जैसा हर स्टेशन में उतर के वी हैव फॉरगॉटन टू कैच द ट्रेन बैक. सो डोंट फॉरगेट द ट्रेन. मेन गोल ensure that the rest of the Artha Kama are aligned to it, and by doing dharma. Correct? And this is the main idea which Adi Shankara wants to say through Bhaja Govindam. He has taken two mantras of the Kathopanishad. Preyascha, Preyascha. That one. Shreyo bhi. Let me check it. I don't remember it clearly. If you have it, show it. Use Kathopanishad. If you have Kathopanishad, then that it is there. Shreyascha, Preyascha, Manushya Metad. If you have it, give it to me. Okay. So, based on that mantra, the whole Bhaja Govindam is designed. You need to have a goal. The goal should be the right goal. If I have a goal only for myself, you are Arthakama Pradhana. If you are having a goal which is related to Dharma, you are just religious. The religious is also not going to help you. Don't misunderstand that Shankara is trying to say that you shouldn't be religious. Being religious is a means. Being dharmic is a means. But that cannot be an end. Someone says that I want to just help people. I want to lead a very good life. That cannot be a goal. That's a means. The goal can be that I want to understand the Tattva. That is the only goal which is possible. And very clearly it says, Shreyascha Preyascha Manushya Metad Tau Samparitya Vivinakti Dhiraha Shreyo Hi Dhiro Preyaso Vrinite Preyo Mandaha Yoga Kshemad Vrinite. Yamadharma Raja is telling Nachiketas, Preyo Mandaha. What is this Shreyas and Preyas? Shreyas is what is good for you. Preyas is what you like. When your stomach is bad, mother gives a kada. That is Shreyas or Preyas? Shreyas or Preyas? Shreyas. If you say no, I want something which is going to be tasty to me, will your stomach problem go?
No.
Here. So Shreyaha, Shreyo Margaha, you will benefit yourself. Shreyo Margaha, you will reach your goal. Preyo Margaha, assuming that you are going to reach your goal, you will only keep satisfying your own desires. And your desires is something which you do not know. What should be the right desire? Correct? Because there is a delusion, not knowing the right one, Yamadharma Raja calls these people are Mandaha. What does Mandaha means? Dumb people. And our Shankara gives it another additional adjective. Moodha Jahi. Moodha Jahi. Correct? He says Moodha Mate. Mati is what? Buddhi. Moodha Mati is Buddhu. Hey special Buddhu. Hey special Buddhu. Bhaja Govinda. What is Bhaja? Bhaja is understand. Bhaja means understand. Learn. Understand. Get clarity of what it is. About what? Govinda. Who is Govinda? Another problem. Who is Krishna? Now there will be a problem. Someone will say, no. Govinda is going to be Vishnu. Someone will say Krishna. ISKCON person will say, no. Nahi chalega. What is Govinda? In our understanding as Vedanta students, what is Govinda? Vasanat Vasudevasya Vasitam Bhuvanatrayam सर्वभूत निवासोसि वासुदेव नमोस्तुते. Vasanat Vasudevasya. Where does Vasudeva stay? Vasitam Bhuvanatrayam. He stays in all the three lokas. Three lokas means what? Jagrat, Swapna, Sushupti. When I am sleeping, when I am awake, when I am dreaming, where is he? He is there. Where?
Everywhere.
Sarva Bhuta Nivasosi. He is the indweller who is staying there in everyone. That Vasudeva Namostute. That Vasudeva is Govinda. Bhaja Govinda. Understand that Govinda. So what should be the objective of life?
Understanding.
Bhaja Govinda. What is the goal in your life? Bhaja Govinda. If you say you have understood it, if you say anything else, you have not understood. Yeah. Bhaja Govinda. Because to understand that Govinda, you will have to give away so many wrong understandings. पहला ये जो घड़ा है उसको पूरा खाली करना पड़ेगा ना, फिर ही अच्छा वाला चीज भर सकते हैं अंदर. ये जो भरा हुआ है किधर से आया है? कितना जन्म से? हाँ, करेक्ट ना? संसार पंक निर्मग्न समुद्धरण पंडिता. We said samsara panka. You know panka means what? Panka. Panka. Panka means filth, kachra, gandagi. That is why lotus is called pankaja, which blooms in the filth. Pankam janayati ti pankaja. Okay. Samsara panka nirmagna. So if that panka has to go, जो इतना लेके रखा है, उसको पहला साफ करके निकाल के, then only Bhaja Govindam comes. Correct? So Bhaja Govindam will not come so easily. You will have to do a lot of effort, then get a right understanding. That right understanding is Bhaja Govindam. Correct? So he has written roughly about 20 shlokas. The whole idea is saying that, Hey Moodhajahi, do not be Preyaha, but go towards Shreyas, which is Bhaja Govinda. So what is the statement? He says, Bhaja Govindam, nahi samjha. Bhaja Govindam, nahi samjha. Govindam Bhaja, Moodhamate. अभी समझ में आ रहा है what Shankara wants to tell us? बुद्धू, समझ लो बुद्धू. अभी तक नहीं समझा बुद्धू, यही है, समझ लो. भज गोविंदम, गोविंदम भज मूढ़मते. Then still if you didn't understand, he says, what is the problem with what you are sitting? You have to know what is your problem na. Samprapte sannihite kale nahi rakshati dugrin karane. We will see what is that later. We are all now in Dugrin Karane. Parasmai vadi lat. Dugrin Karane. We are into that job now. But don't get stuck in that is the point. You need that to Bhaja Govindam, to understand God, but don't consider this itself to be final. Grammar is not the final.
It means to an end.
It is a means. When you say prayers, I am making God as a means to my desire. Think, huh? When I am saying Shreyas, I am having all Dharma, Artha, Kama as the means for Bhaja Govinda. समझ में आ रहा है? When you say I am a person who is prayers, that means I am using God as a means for my desire. Which is bigger? My desire. Your desire can be even dharma. Your desire can be puja. How nicely you can continue to fool yourself. Think, I will be doing all this puja. मैं 50 घंटा पूजा करता हूँ. क्यों? The ulterior motive is inside you कि बाबा मेरे को अच्छा अगला जन्म मिलना मनता है. वो भी रह सकता है. स्वर्ग जाना मनता है. ये पति वापस नहीं मिलना मनता है. कुछ भी रह सकता है. Correct? But that is fooling yourself. because you are making God as a means for your desire, and that is called prayas. My desire is bigger than God. Makes sense? Now, if you change it, Shreyas, God is the end. My desire, Artha, Kama, Dharma are the means. Dugrin Karane is the means. Lat Lakara is the means to reach that. Correct? Surrendering, Swami Chinmayananda says a very nice story. I think I have told this earlier also. Marble Krishna, correct? Marble room, marble Krishna, Roj Doodh Path, silverware. And one day, friends come to Chidambaram's house. सिर्फ पैसा नहीं, डॉक्यूमेंट भी गया. तो कृष्णा को क्या पूछा मालूम है? रोज दूध पाक दे रहा था, तुमको एक चौकीदार का काम भी नहीं कर सका तुम. You could not keep these people away. Now you understand what that bhakti was. Prayas or Shreyas?
Prayers.
So we don't tell it, but we mean it. Ask this question. Am I meaning it? Why am I doing it? What? If it says for my security, problem. If it says for my health, problem. For my relatives, problem. Anything for me, problem. Ahankara, mamakara, problem eva problem. But if you say tattva jnanartham, to understand Bhaja Govindam, then everything fits properly. Correct? This is the time to change the direction, orientation. Thoda change karega, to hi Bhaja Govindam meaning. Now to understand this, he has written 20 verses. Keeping this background, nothing new. No moksha, no brahmananda, nothing. Satyam, jnanam, anantam, brahma, kuch nahi hai. ये करेगा तो ये मिलेगा, ये करेगा तो ये मिलेगा. अभी तो समझो. Slowly by listening to that, you'll say, no बाबा, हाथ में कोयला दिया है गरम गरम और बोलते हैं पकड़ के रखो. No, I want to drop it. ये संसार को छोड़ना है. Like a hot potato, I want to leave it. To bring that in your mind, vairagya, that is objective Shankara has for Bhaja Govinda. Okay. This vairagya should come. Vairagya means what? Not running away. Not running away. No, I don't want this. Nay. I have stopped sweets. Whenever I see a sweet, why did I start? Why did I take this vrata? I should have finished Dasara and then started. समझ में आ रहा है? That is not vairagya. In spite of it, our balloon example. See, some examples are eternal. Rope, snake, without that Vedanta will not work. Balloon, vairagya will never. Simple examples. By that you will understand it clearly. So at the age of 25, you will still play with your child with the balloon, but you will not cry when the balloon breaks. Correct? When the toy breaks, you are a Maha Jnani. With moksha, you will say, don't worry, there are so many toys, I will buy another toy. Correct? So very clearly, we have to get into maturity and vairagya to help that Bhaja Govinda is there. Okay, there is another name for Bhaja Govinda. Because it starts with Bhaja Govindam, everyone has started calling it Bhaja Govindam. There is a name to that text, and that text name is very beautiful. It is called Moha Mudgaraha. Moha Mudgaraha. What is Moha? Delusion, not attachment. If I have an attachment, I have no problem. I have an attachment, I understand that. I know I should get detached. Perfectly okay. I have an attachment and thinking that attachment is only the final attachment is delusion. जो गलत है उसको सही समझ के बैठना is called delusion. That is moha. Attachment is asakti, no problem at all. Because once you know it, you can come out of it. But if you have delusion, what is the way delusion can be broken? Tell me. How will this Viveka come? Now, look at it. We will see this progress. All of us, we will start with We are all Brahman. Not one Brahman, all one Brahman. Huh? Part of Brahman, imagine. We are all there. So kamayata bahusyam prajayeti, we are all Brahman. Now that Brahman का ऊपर एक body आ गया. Correct? एक body आया तो उसका अंदर senses आया, mind आया. Otherwise that body is useless. Correct? So now on the Brahman, I have one covering called body, mind, senses. For that, when did it come? The day I was born. Is it there now? 100% there with me. Correct? So that Brahman has got already 2 wrappers. उस रैपर का बाहर एक कपड़े का रैपर आ गया, फिर उसका बाहर एक घर का रैपर आ गया, उसका ऊपर एक रिलेशन का रैपर आ गया, उसका बाहर एक ऑफिस का रैपर आ गया, ऑफिस का रिलेशन का रैपर आ गया. Then I am an Indian. No. Before that I am a Maharashtrian. Before that I am a Thanaite. Then a Mumbaite. Then a Maharashtrian. Then I am an Indian. Uska sabka pahila, I am a human being. That means I have one wrapper that I am not animals. Kitna wrapper hai? That toffee called Brahman का बाहर कितना रैपर डाला है, वो ऐसा निकलेगा क्या? एक एक करके निकाल के, हाँ, लाइक दैट ओनियन, एक एक करके निकालो, निकलेगा. उसको कैसा निकालना पड़ता है मालूम है? तोड़ के निकालना पड़ता है. और किससे तोड़ते हैं मालूम है? यू नो व्हाट इज मुद्गरा? हाँ, दैट नहीं, तुम्हारा चावल वाल पाउंड करते हैं ना, पाउंडिंग, उसको मुद्गरा बोलते हैं. तो उससे तोड़ के एक एक ऐसा लेयर निकालना पड़ता है. एंड दैट इज व्हाट शंकर हैज ट्राइड टू डू इन भज गोविंद. Baba, at least now understand that first own aham brahmasmi and then बाकी का कवरिंग सोचा तो ठीक है, लेकिन ये कवरिंग है बोल के शुरू किया तो ब्रह्मन तक पहुंचेगा ही नहीं. तभी डाउट आएगा अंदर है कि नहीं बोल के. समझ में आ रहा है? इधर से यहाँ गया तो इट वॉज इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड. नाउ यू सिट वेयर वी आर. आई एम फर्स्ट एन इंडियन, आई एम अ ह्यूमन बीइंग, देन व्हाट ड्रेस आई एम वेयरिंग, देन माय सोसाइटी. ये सब देखने के बाद टीवी का प्रोग्राम, व्हाट्सएप, अनदर कवरिंग. किधर टाइम है? ब्रह्मन तक जाने का चांस भी है क्या इस इन दिस लाइफ? चांस ही नहीं है. So if you go normally, you will never reach. The only answer is तोड़ के ठीक करो. प्रॉब्लम है, कड़वा दवा देना पड़ेगा, बूस्टर डोज इंजेक्शन देना पड़ेगा, तभी जाके it will start working. And that is what this Bhaja Govindam is all about. When he starts, slowly you will start realizing, that person without marriage can talk about marriage so much. दम है. करेक्ट? संसार क्या है उसको मालूम नहीं है, फिर भी उसका बारे में ऐसा बोल रहा है. उसको कैसा मालूम इतना? करेक्ट? ही इज नॉट एक्सपीरियंस्ड इट, फिर भी इतना बरोबर बोल रहा है. जो हम बोलने के लिए डरते वो बिंदास बोल के चला गया. करेक्ट? एग्जैक्टली. सो इट्स अ रिफ्लेक्शन दैट एट लीस्ट नाउ काल क्रीडति गच्छत्यायुः. क्या मालूम कभी ऐसा न्यूज आएगा कि अपना भी टाइम हो गया, चल रहा है प्राण संधारणार्थम, गया, लॉस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी. लॉन्ग टेनिस कोर्ट में एडवांटेज पोजीशन में बैठा है, मैच में फाइनल ट्रॉफी में एडवांटेज पोजीशन में बैठा है. इमेजिन इफ यू लूज दैट, व्हाट विल हैपन? इमेजिन. उनको क्या लगा ऐसे ही तुम्हारा ये ह्यूमन बीइंग का लाइफ आया है क्या? यू ऑलरेडी गॉन टू दैट कोर्ट. आउट ऑफ ऑल द पीपल हु आर सिटिंग एंड व्यूइंग दैट विंबलडन, हु आर देयर इन दैट प्लेस but still not qualified to play, you have surpassed that and come inside the court. You are at least in UK. People who are outside UK do not even know there is a place called Wimbledon, and I cannot have an access also. Correct? तुम अंदर कोर्ट में खेल रहा है. फाइनल्स, अपना क्वार्टर फाइनल्स, सेमीफाइनल्स खेल के फाइनल्स में मैच पॉइंट एडवांटेज में आने के बाद छूटेगा तो क्या हाल है? एग्जैक्टली. अभी भी टाइम है, सोचो. डोंट लीव इट. नहीं तो क्या होगा? अगला जन्म में कॉकरोच आया तो आउट ऑफ विंबलडन. इफ यू आर अ कॉकरोच, आउट ऑफ विंबलडन. फिर मालूम नहीं किधर है. फिर विंबलडन मालूम भी नहीं है. कॉकरोच को मालूम रहता है क्या ह्यूमन बीइंग बोल के? सेम वे यू नॉट इवन नो. करेक्ट. मिला उसको छोड़ो मत. मेक द बेस्ट यूज ऑफ इट. फिनिश इट. अंडरस्टैंड एंड बी हैप्पी. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. So we'll continue this Bhaja Govindam after Bhagavad Gita. So now we know what is this Bhaja Govindam, why it is, what it wants to do. इतना तो रहने मन में रहना चाहिए. नहीं तो अभी तक सबको क्या पसंद है? उसका ट्यून. Everyone likes Bhaja Govindam because of what? अरे क्या ट्यून है वो? At least ट्यून का हिसाब से start learning it by heart. You have enough time now, 6 months before we complete. By heart Bhaja Govindam. Why? If it is here, then it will make meaning. If it makes meaning, you can bring it into your life. Otherwise, it is in the book. When you close the book, it is gone with the book. Correct? Like Adi Shankara is in the photo now. बाकी कुछ मालूम नहीं. अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा दिखता है, टीका अच्छा से लगाता है, हार बहुत अच्छा है, रोज दूध पाक दिखाता है. क्या फायदा है आदि शंकरा का? कुछ फायदा नहीं है. जब उसका नॉलेज अपना अंदर आएगा तो then only that Adi Shankara's meaning is there. Same way, learn Bhaja Govindam. Try to. It's a very simple one. It's a very, very simple one. It doesn't have any tough words in it. And as you read it, you will know some meaning of it. Don't worry, but we'll clarify what it is, why it has gone that way. Okay? Ciao. We'll continue with the 7 shloka. Okay. First we will start with the 5th chapter. 5th, नहीं तो 6th हो गया है. 6th हुआ नहीं है ना. नहीं तो 5th एक बोलेगा पूरा. Take the 5th one, we will chant it and then the new chapter. Whoever wants to go can go on, no problem. Shloka and Veda chanting will be there. And the booking there is my Bhagavad Gita book.
Yes.
Chalo. So we'll start with the 5th chapter. Start. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Atha Panchamodhyayah Arjuna Uvacha Sannyasa Karma Yog Krishna Punaryogam Cha Shansasi Yachreya Etayor Cha Sannyasa Karma Yogascha Nishreyasakaramubhau Tayostu Karma Sannyasa Karma Yogo Shishyate Samnasya Nitya Sannyasi Yo Nadreshti Nakamshati Nirdvando Hi Mahabaho Sukham Bandhat Pramuchyate Sankhya Yoga Pratakbalaha Pravadanti na panditaha ekamapyasthitah samyak uvayor vindate phalam yatsankhye prapyate sthanam tadyogairapi gamyate ekam sankhyan cha yogam cha yah pashyati sa pashyati sannyasastu mahabaho dukkhamaptumayogatah Yoga yukto munir brahma nachirena digacchati Yoga yukto vishuddhatma विजितात्मा जितेन्द्रियः सर्वभूतात्मा भूतात्मा कुर्वन्नपि न लिप्यते नैव किञ्चित् करोमीति युक्तो मन्येत तत्त्ववित् पश्यन् शृण्वन् स्पृशन् जिघ्रन् अश्नन् गच्छन् स्वपन् श्वसन् प्रलभन् विसृजन् गृह्णन् उन्मिषन् निमिषन्नपि वर्तन्त इति धारयन् ब्रह्मण्यादाय कर्माणि सङ्गं त्यक्त्वा करोति यः लिप्यते स न पापेन पद्मपत्रमिवाम्भसा कायेन मनसा बुद्ध्या केवलैरिन्द्रियैरपि योगिनः कर्म कुर्वन्ति सङ्गं त्यक्त्वात्मशुद्धये युक्तः कर्मफलं त्यक्त्वा शान्तिमाप्नोति नैष्ठिकीम् अयुक्तः कामकारेण फले सक्तो निबध्यते सर्वकर्माणि मनसा सन्न्यस्यास्ते सुखं वशी नवद्वारे पुरे देहि नैव कुर्वन्न कारयन् न कर्तृत्वं न कर्माणि लोकस्य सृजति प्रभुः न कर्मफलसंयोगं स्वभावस्तु प्रवर्तते नादत्ते कस्यचित् पापम् अज्ञानेनावृतं ज्ञानं तेन मुह्यन्ति जन्तवः ज्ञानेन तु तदज्ञानं येषां नाशितमात्मनः तेषामादित्यवज्ञानं प्रकाशयत्परं तद्बुद्धयस्तदात्मानः तन्निष्ठास्तत्परायणाः गच्छन्त्य पुनरावृत्तिं ज्ञाननिर्धूतकल्मषाः विद्याविनयसम्पन्ने ब्राह्मणे गविहस्तिनि शुनि चैव श्वपाकेन पण्डिता समदर्शिनः इहैह तैजितः सर्गः येषां साम्ये स्थितं मनः निर्दोषं हि समं ब्रह्म तस्मात् ब्रह्मणि ते स्थिताः न प्रहर्षेत् प्रियं प्राप्य नोद्विजेत् चाप्य चाप्रियं स्थिरबुद्धिरसम्मूढः ब्रह्मविद् ब्रह्मणि स्थितः बाह्यस्पर्शेष्वसक्तात्मा विन्द्यत्यात्मनि यत्सुखं स ब्रह्मयोगयुक्तात्मा सुखमक्षयमश्नुते ये हि संस्पर्शजा भोगाः दुःखयोनय एव ते आद्यन्तवन्तः कौन्तेय न तेषु रमते बुधः शक्नोति हैव यः सोढुम् शरीरविमोक्षणात् कामक्रोधोद्भवं वेगम् योऽन्तः सुखोऽन्तरारामः तथान्तर्ज्योतिरेव यः स योगी ब्रह्मनिर्वाणं ब्रह्मभूतोऽधिगच्छति लभन्ते ब्रह्मनिर्वाणं ऋषयः क्षीणकल्मषाः छिन्नद्वैधायतात्मनः सर्वभूतहिते रताः कामक्रोधवियुक्तानां यतीनां यतचेतसाम् अभितो ब्रह्मनिर्वाणं वर्तते विदितात्मनां स्पर्शान् कृत्वा बहिर्बाह्यात् चक्षुश्चैवान्तरे भ्रुवोः प्राणापानौ समौ कृत्वा नासाभ्यन्तरचारिणौ यतेन्द्रियमनो बुद्धिः मुनिर्मोक्षपरायणः विगतेच्छाभयक्रोधः यः सदा मुक्त एव सः भोक्तारं यज्ञतपसां सर्वलोकमहेश्वरं सुहृदं सर्वभूतानां ज्ञात्वा मां शान्तिमृच्छति। ॐ तत्सदिति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे कर्मसन्न्यासयोगो नाम पंचमोऽध्यायः। 7th chapter now. We'll start the new one. अथ सप्तमोऽध्यायः श्रीभगवानुवाच मय्यासक्तमनाः पार्थ योगं युञ्जन्मदाश्रयः असंशयं समग्रं माम् यथा ज्ञास्यसि तच्छृणु ज्ञानं तेहं सविज्ञानम् इदं वक्ष्याम्यशेषतः यज्ञात्वा नेह भूयोऽन्य ज्ञातव्यमवशिष्यते मनुष्याणां सहस्रेषु कश्चिद्यतति सिद्धये यततामपि सिद्धानां कश्चिन्मां वेत्ति तत्त्वतः This Manushyanam Sahasreshu is exactly the same thing which we said before. Among thousands of people, few of us are trying to somehow enter that court, Wimbledon court. In that, only one will understand and get the trophy. Correct? Manushyanam Sahasreshu Kaschid Yatati Siddhaye. Few people become Siddhas. Okay. Yatatam api Siddhanam. Among all the Yatis in that Siddhas, Kaschinmam, very few understand me. So what is the probability factor? तो इसके लिए डर के छोड़ देने का कि ज्यादा मेहनत करने का? हाँ, don't run away. Don't run away. You're not here to run away. That is for sure. It is tough. So what? I will put more effort. That is the whole idea. Okay. Bhumirapo nalo vayuhu. Kham mano buddhirevacha. Ahankara iti yamme. Bhinna prakritirashtadha. Apareyamitastvanyam. Prakritim viddhi me param. Jiva bhutam mahabaho. Yayedam dharyate jagat. Etad yonini bhutani. Sarvani tyupadharaya. Aham krishnasya jagatah. Prabhavah pralayastatha. Mattah para परतरं नान्यते
मत्तः परतरं नान्यते मत्तः परतरं नान्यते
किञ्चिदस्ति धनञ्जय
किञ्चिदस्ति धनञ्जय किञ्चिदस्ति धनञ्जय
मयि सर्वमिदं प्रोतं
मयि सर्वमिदं प्रोतं मयि सर्वमिदं प्रोतं
प्रोतश्च विभु प्रजासु मयि सर्वम in me everything is protam सूत्रे मणिगणा इव
सूत्रे मणिगणा इव सूत्रे मणिगणा इव
रसोऽहमप्सु कौन्तेय
रसोऽहमप्सु कौन्तेय रसोऽहमप्सु कौन्तेय
प्रभास्मि शशि सूर्ययो
प्रभास्मि शशि सूर्ययोः प्रभास्मि शशि सूर्ययोः
प्रणवः सर्ववेदेषु
प्रणवः सर्ववेदेषु प्रणवः सर्ववेदेषु
शब्दखे पौरुषं नृषु
शब्दके पौरुषं नृषु शब्दके पौरुषं नृषु
पुण्यो गन्धः पृथिव्याञ्च
पुण्यो गन्धः पृथिव्यां च पुण्यो गन्धः पृथिव्यां च
तेजश्चास्मि विभावसौ
तेजस्सास्मि विभावसौ तेजस्सास्मि विभावसौ
जीवनं सर्वभूतेषु
जीवनं सर्वभूतेषु जीवनं सर्वभूतेषु
तपश्चास्मि तपस्विषु
तपस्यास्मि तपस्विषु तपस्यास्मि तपस्विषु
बीजं मां सर्वभूतानां
बीजं मां सर्वभूतानां बीजं मां सर्वभूतानां
विद्धि पार्थ सनातनम्
विद्धि पार्थ सनातनम् विद्धि पार्थ सनातनम्
बुद्धिर्बुद्धिमतामस्मि
बुद्धिर्बुद्धिमतामस्मि बुद्धिर्बुद्धिमतामस्मि
तेजस्तेजस्विनामहम्
तेजस्तेजस्विनामहम् तेजस्तेजस्विनामहम्
बलं बलवताञ्चाहम्
बलं बलवताञ्चाहम् बलं बलवताञ्चाहम्
कामरागविवर्जितम्
कामरागविवर्जितम् कामरागविवर्जितम्
धर्माविरुद्धौ भूतेषु
धर्माविरुद्धौ भूतेषु धर्माविरुद्धौ भूतेषु
कामोऽस्मि भरतर्षभा
कामोऽस्मि भरतर्षभ कामोऽस्मि भरतर्षभ
We'll stop it here. 11. We'll continue. Actually, it's a very beautiful. This, if you while reading it itself, you come to know the flavor of it. Correct? Good. Chalo. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. So, if shloka people want to leave, you all can leave. Now come to Veda chanting. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om Om Gadana Tva Gadapati Gammavamaye Kavim Kavinam Upamashravastamam
ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पदानश्चिन्वन्नोतिभिस्सीदसादनम्
श्रीमहागणपतये नमः भद्रं कर्णे विष्णुयाम देवाः
भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैः सुष्ठुवागुंसस्तनूभिः यशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नः साक्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
भद्रं कर्णे विष्णुयाम देवाः
भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैः सुष्ठुवागुंसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्ताक्षो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु
आपः सर्वाः
अस्मादस्मादितो मुतः अग्निर्वायुश्च सूर्यश्च सरसण्डस्करर्धिया वायुवस्वारश्मिमतयः मरीचात्मानो तद्रुवः देवीर्भुवनसुवरीः पुत्रवत्वाय मे सुता महानाम्येर्महामानाः महसो महसस्वः देवीर्पर्जन्यसुवरीः पुत्रवत्वाय मे सुता अपासृष्टिमपारक्षः अपासृष्टिमपारकम् अपाग्रामचावर्तिम् अपदेवीरितो हित वज्रम् देवीरधीरागिश्च भुवनम् देवसूवरीः आदित्यानदिम् देवी योनिनोर्कमुदीशत शिवानः सर्तमा भवन्तु दिव्याः भवोषधयः सुमृडीका सरस्वती माले लोमसन्दृशि श्रुतिप्रत्यक्षमैत्रिक्यम् अनुमानश्चतुष्टयम् एकैरादित्यमण्डलम् सर्वैरेव विदास्यते सूर्यो मरीचिमादत्ते सर्वस्मान् भुवनादपि तस्याः पाकविशेषेण श्रीलङ्कालविशेषणम् नदीव प्रभवात् काचित् अक्षय्यास्यन्दते यथा तान् नद्योऽपि समायन्ति सोरुसती न निवर्तते एवं नाना समुत्थानाः कालाः संवत्सरग्रश्रिताः अणुशश्च महशश्च सर्वे समवयन्कृतम् सतैः सर्वैः समाविष्टः पूरुः सन्न निवर्तते अधिसंवत्सरम् विद्यात् तदेव लक्षणे अणुभिश्च महद्भिश्च समारूढः प्रदृश्यते संवत्सर प्रत्यक्षेण नादिसत्त्वः प्रदृश्यते पटरो विक्लितः पिङ्गः एतद्वरुणलक्षणम् यत्रैतदुपदृश्यते सहस्रम् तत्र लीयते एककम् निचिरो नानामुखे कृष्णम् तदुलक्षणम् उभयतः सप्तेन्द्रियाणि कल्पितम् ते पजिह्यते शुक्लकृष्णे संवत्सरस्य दक्षिणवामयोः पार्श्वयोः तस्यैषा भवति शुक्रन्ते अन्यद्य जतन्ते अन्यत् विश्वरूपे अहनीयो निवासी विश्वाहि माया अवसि स्वधाव भद्राते पूषन्निहरातिरस्मिति नात्रभुवनम् न पूषा न पशवः नादित्यः संवत्सर एव प्रत्यक्षेण प्रियतमम् विद्यात् एतद्वै संवत्सरस्य प्रियतमम् रूपम् योऽस्य वानक्त उत्पत्स्यमानो भवति इदम् पुण्यम् कुरुष्वेति तवाहरणम् दद्यात् सा कञ्जानागुम् सप्ततमाहुरेकजम्.
Okay. In Udaka Shanti, there are many suktas. In Udaka Shanti, there are many sukta. We have Devi Suktam, Shraddha Suktam, Go Suktam, okay. Then Nasadiya Suktam. Then we have the Bhagya Suktam, okay. Then we have Nakshatra Suktam, okay. Then what else is there? Vak Suktam, yeah, it's Varuna Suktam will come. Correct. Varuna Suktam will be there. Then Shanchamema Yaschame will be there. Saraswati Suktam, Vak Suktam. Okay. Ashushishano Vrishabha will come in that. Okay. Then what else is there? Then I also want you all to learn this Ritasha, Dritata, Magnir, Gandharvaha, that one paragraph. So if we just do this small paragraph, 70% of Udaka Shanti is over. But if you learn it as one suktas, it gets over very fast. Okay, then in between we will continue. So we'll start with Vak Sukta. Vak Sukta. Then this Tasurya Chandramasaha. You know this Tasurya Chandramasaha. This particular one also there are 6. There are 6 mantras. One of the beautiful mantras. And these beautiful mantras are told mainly on the it is one of the Prashchita mantras. especially if it is required. Mostly it is done at the time of death before taking that time it is said. हरिओम जी, हरिओम जी. हेलो, हेलो. हाँ मालूम है, समझ में आया, मालूम है मुझे. हाँ हाँ, इसलिए ना समझ गए. हाँ केतकर जी का ना. हेलो, हाँ बोलिए. हाँ बोलिए ना. देखता हूँ क्योंकि आज मैं अभी क्लास में हूँ. इसके बाद क्लासेस चालू है. हाँ पूरा क्लास चालू है, नया क्लास. कोशिश. हाँ को देखता हूँ. हाँ ओके ओके ओके. ठीक है. Okay, so we'll start with the Vak Suktam. Devim vacham
देवीं वाचम्
ajanayanta yadvagvadanti
यद्वाक्वदन्ति
devim vajanamajayanta
देवीं वाचमजयन्त
devim vachamajanayanta
देवीं वाचमजनयन्त देवाः
tam vishwarupaah
तां विश्वरूपाः
pashavo vadanti
पशवो वदन्ति
sano mandresha
सानो मन्द्रेश
urjanduhana
ऊर्जन्दुहाना
dhenurvagasmat
धेनुर्वागस्मान्
upasuštutaitu
उपसुष्टुतैतु
yadvagvadanti
यद्वाक्वदन्ति
avichettanani
अविचेतनानि
राष्ट्री देवानां निशसादमन्द्राः
निशसादमन्द्रा
चतस्र ऊर्जं चतस्र ऊर्जं चतस्र ऊर्जन्तु ददुहे पयागंसि चतस्र ऊर्जम ददुहे ना ददुहे. Duha is to give. Daduha is इच्छा करना is चिकीर्षा. गंतुम इच्छति जिगमिषति. वक्तुम इच्छति विविक्षति. करेक्ट. दुहुम इच्छति दुदोहति. The thought to do. Okay. Chatasra urjam. The fourth conversion of the energy only will come out as sound. Payagamsi. Water. If you don't have food, still no problem. Your sound will stop once water stops. Your sound will come once water comes. Why? Prana is achchadanartham. Water is achchadana for prana. Is the protector of prana. If prana has to move, water is required. Correct? That is why when you are dehydrated, what happens to your energy level? Correct? What is the percentage of water you have in the body?
70%.
Correct? And when does the doctor say you are dehydrated? When it becomes 30?
No, it goes below
6%, 5%.
Goes below 65.
5 to 6%, if it is reducing, see the impact in your body. Correct? And to understand this, in Brihadaranyaka Upanishad, a teacher will say, chant the Samagana, Om. Okay, high pitch. For 15 days, food is reduced completely. Zero. No water. So first day if you are having 1 glass of water, next day reduce, no water. And after that 15 days without water. Then he says, now you chant Sama. He says, what chant Sama? I can't even talk. He says, yeah, that is the importance of prana. If prana is need to move, the water is required. Now drink water, and next day he was able to chant. Okay, it's a story to understand the importance of prana and water connection. See, payagam si chatasra urjan duduhe. Okay, Kvasvidasyaha Paramanjagama Anantamantam Adinirmitam Mahim Yasyaan Devaha Adadurbojanani Eka aksharam Dvipadam Shatpadancha Vachan Devaha Upajivanti Vishwe Vachan Devaha Upajivanti Vishwe Vachan Gandharvaha Pashavo Manushyaha Vachima Vishwa Bhuvananyarpita Sano Havanjushatam Indrapatni Vagaksharam Prathamajarutasya What is Vagaksharam Prathamajarutasya? I Urna Maheshwarani Sutrani these are Vedanam Mata Amritasya Nabhihi Vedanam Mata Amritasya Nabhihi Vedanam Mata. Who is Veda Mata?
Saraswati.
Gayatri.
Okay. Who has brought the Vedas to us? Who first brought Brahma? Correct? So who is Veda Mata? Brahma. Correct? Where is he from? Amritasya Nabhihi. Correct? from Vishnu's Nabhi on the Vedanam Mata Amritasya Nabhi Sano Jushana
Sano Jushana, Sano Jushana,
Apayajnamagaat
Apayajnamagaat, Apayajnamagaat,
Avanti Devi
Avanti Devi, Avanti Devi,
Suhavame Astu
Sukhame Astu, Sukhame Astu,
Yam Rishayaha
Ram Rishayah, Ram Rishayah,
Mantra Krito Manishidaha
Mantrakrito Manishinaha, Mantrakrito Manishinaha,
Yam Rishayaha, these rishis, Yam Rishayaha, Mantra Kritaha, Mantra Drashtaraha, people who are able to see the mantras. Yam, they are Rishayaha. Yam Rishayo Mantra Krito Manishina Anvaichan Devaha
Anvaichan Devaha, Anvaichan Devaha,
Tapasashramena.
Tapasashramena, Tapasashramena,
ऐसा ही मिला नहीं है tapasa shramena, lot of effort is that mind has to become that subtle that it can understand कितना तपस्या किया है correct अन्वैच्छन् देवास् तपसा श्रमेण
Anvaichan Devas, Tapasashramena, Anvaichan Devas, Tapasashramena,
तान् देवीं
Tan Devi, Tan Devi,
वाचकं हविषा यजामहे
Vachakam Abhishaya Jamahe, Vachakam Abhishaya Jamahe,
सानो दधातु
Sano Dadatu, Sano Dadatu,
सुकृतस्य लोके
Sukritasya Loke, Sukritasya Loke,
सानो दधातु सुकृतस्य लोके करेक्ट चत्वारि वाक्
Chatvari Vak, Chatvari Vak,
परिमिता पदानि
Parimita Padani, Parimita Padani,
तानि विदुः
Tani Viduhu, Tani Viduhu,
ब्राह्मणाये मनीषिणः
Brahmanaye Manishinaha, Brahmanaye Manishinaha,
गुहात्रीणि
Guhatrini, Guhatrini,
निहितानेङ्गयन्ति
Nihitane Gayanti, Nihitane Gayanti,
तुरीयं वाचः
Duriyam Vachaha, Duriyam Vachaha,
मनुष्या वदन्ति
Manushya Vadanti, Manushya Vadanti.
See, this ends the Vak Sukta. The fourth, three of it, Trini Pada Nihita Guhasi. Three of it is secretive, not visible. Only the fourth one is what comes out as sound. How does sound come? The sound comes because sound is the fourth manifestation of your effort. The first one is thought. You cannot remove sound unless you have a thought what you want to communicate. First one. Is it Goptaram? Is it inside or is it known to people? Then that thought will push energy from the Nabhi to the head. The first energy moves with that thought, the energy moves to the head. And once it goes to the top, it comes down to the voice box. Okay. When you say it goes to the head, it provokes that thought. You connect what all you want to say, correct? And then it comes down. It energizes the voice box. So the first one is thought. Second one is energy moving up. Third one is energy coming to the voice box. All the three are not visible to anyone. Only the fourth is manifestation of this energy from the voice box, where sthanani prayatnani sound comes out. Correct? this sound with aksharas, when it is joined together, then only a meaning of your thought is getting conveyed. Okay. Now it becomes very simple to understand. Chatvari vak parimita padani tani vidu brahmana ye manishinaha guhatrini nihitanenkayanti turiyam vachaha manushya vadanti. Correct? And next one is Shraddha Suktam. Shraddhayagnis samidhyate.
Shraddhayagnis samidhyate. Shraddhayagnis samidhyate.
Shraddhaya vindate havihi.
Shraddhaya vindate havihi. Shraddhaya vindate havihi.
Shraddham bhagasya murdani.
Shraddham bhagasya murdani. Shraddham bhagasya murdani.
Vachasa vedayamasi.
Vachasa vedayamasi. Vachasa vedayamasi.
Priyagya shraddhe dadadataha.
Priyagya shraddhe dadadataha. Priyagya shraddhe dadataha.
Priyagya shraddhe dadataha.
Priyagya shraddhe dadataha. Priyagya shraddhe dadataha.
Priyagya shraddhe didasitaha.
Priyagya shraddhe didasitaha. Priyagya shraddhe didasitaha.
Dadataha, didasitaha. All this you will learn. Atmane padam, it will all come now. Priyam bhojeshu yajvasu.
Bhojeshu yatvasu. Priyam bhojeshu yatvasu.
Idamma uditam kridhi.
Idamma uditam kridhi. Idamma uditam kridhi.
Yatha deva asureshu.
Yatha deva asureshu. Yatha deva asureshu.
Shraddha mugreshu chakrire.
Shraddha mukreshu chakrire. Shraddha mukreshu chakrire.
Evam bhojeshu yajvasu.
Evam bhojeshu yatvasu. Evam bhojeshu yatvasu.
Asmakam uditam kridhi.
Asmakam uditam kridhi. Asmakam uditam kridhi.
Shraddhan deva yajamana.
Shraddhan deva yajamana. Shraddhan deva yajamana.
Vayugopa upasate.
Vayugopa upasate. Vayugopa upasate.
Shraddhagam hridaya yakutya.
Shraddham
Shraddham
Shraddham Shraddham
hridaya
Hridaya Hridaya
akutya.
Agutya Agutya.
Shraddaya huyate havihi.
Shraddaya huyate havihi. Shraddaya huyate havihi.
All verbs, Shraddha is with action, na? So all verbs will come. Shraddham pratar havamahe.
Shraddham pratar havamahe. Shraddham pratar havamahe.
Prata sandhya vandanam. Shraddham madhyanti nampari.
Shraddham madhyanti nampari. Shraddham madhyanti nampari.
Shraddhagam suryasya nimruchi.
Shraddham suryasya nimruchi. Shraddham suryasya nimruchi.
Shraddhe shraddhapaye hama.
Shraddhe shraddhamaye namah. Shraddhe shraddhamaye namah.
Shraddha devanadhivaste.
Shraddha devanadhivaste. Shraddha devanadhivaste.
Shraddha vishwamidam jagate.
Shraddha vishwamidam jagate. Shraddha vishwamidam jagate.
Only we have this boldness to say it is because of Shraddha, this Jagat will be there. Don't worry, nothing will happen. Others will say, we are all killing, the world will go, nothing will go. Shraddham Vishwam idam jagate. Shraddham kamasya mataram.
Shraddham kamasya mataram. Shraddham kamasya mataram.
Havisha vardhayamasi.
Havisha vardhayamasi. Havisha vardhayamasi.
Okay, this Shraddha Suktam. So if you want composition on Shraddha, you can simply write this. Full marks in Sanskrit. है कि नहीं? ये तो क्या सोचेगा, सीधा लिख देने का, then teacher has to think what to understand and give. Chalo, we will just complete Nasadiya Suktam and stop. Yeah, again a small one, a very beautiful one. How the Srishti has come. This Nasadiya Suktam. If any one of you all remember, at earlier that serial used to come, na? The guy will be like Nehru.
Discovery of India.
Discovery of India, correct? What was the starting? सृष्टि से पहले जग नहीं था, भारत एक खोज, अंतरिक्ष भी नहीं, आकाश भी नहीं था, छुपा था. Coming from Nasadiya Suktam. Nasadiya Suktam. What was there before? That question is that. Okay. Nasadasin, no sadas, nasadasin.
नासदासीन नासदासीन
No sadasit.
नो सदासीन
Unseen.
नो सदासीन
Idanim.
इदानीं इदानीं
नासीद्रजः.
नासीद्रजः नासीद्रजः
नो व्योमा परो यत्.
नो व्योमा परोयते नो व्योमा परोयते
किमावरीह.
हिमावरीह हिमावरीह
कुहकस्य शर्मन्.
कुहकस्य शर्मन् कुहकस्य शर्मन्
अम्भः किमासीत्.
अम्भक्तिमासीत् अम्भक्तिमासीत्
गहनं गभीरम्.
गहनं गभीरं गहनं गभीरं
From where did this water come? From where did this sky come? They are all questions. There is no answer to this. These are all questions now. Na mrityuhu.
न मृत्युः न मृत्युः
Amritantarhina.
अमृतन्तर्हिना अमृतन्तर्हिना
Ratriya annaha.
रात्रिया अन्नः रात्रिया अन्नः
Asit praketah.
आसीत् प्रकेतः आसीत् प्रकेतः
Anidavatam.
आनीदवातम् आनीदवातम्
Swadhayatadekam.
स्वदयातदेकम् स्वदयातदेकम्
Tasmaadhanyam.
तस्मात् धान्यम् तस्मात् धान्यम्
न परः किञ्चनासा.
न परः किञ्चनास न परः किञ्चनास
तम आसीत्.
तम आसीत् तम आसीत्
गूढमग्रे.
गूढमग्रे गूढमग्रे
प्रकेतम्.
प्रकेतम् प्रकेतम्
तम आसीत्. What is tama? What is tama? Tama is tamas. What is tama? What is tamas? Darkness, ignorance. Okay. Tama asit. There was only darkness. Tamasa gudhamagre. There was this big bang. Before big bang, what was there? Tama asit tamasa gudhamagre praketam. Okay. Salilam.
सलिलम् सलिलम्
Sarvamaidam.
सर्वमानिदम् सर्वमानिदम्
Tuchena.
तुच्छेन तुच्छेन
Bhuvapihitam.
भुवपिहितम् भुवपिहितम्
Yadasit.
यदासीत् यदासीत्
Tamasaha.
तमसः तमसः
Tamahina.
तमहिना तमहिना
Jayataikam.
जायतैकम् जायतैकम्
Kamastadagre.
कामस्तदग्रे कामस्तदग्रे
Samavartatadhi.
समवर्ततादि समवर्ततादि
So kamayata. Same thing. Okay. Manasoretaha.
मनसोरेतः मनसोरेतः
Prathamayadasit.
प्रथमयदासीत् प्रथमै यदासीत्
सतो बन्धुः
सतो बन्धुः
सतो बन्धुम्
सतो बन्धुम् सतो बन्धुम्
असति निरविन्दन्
असति निरविन्दन् असति निरविन्दन्
हृदि प्रदिश्य
हृदि प्रदिश्य हृदि प्रदिश्य
कवयो मनीषा
कवयो मनीषा कवयो मनीषा
तिरश्चिनः
तिरश्चिनः तिरश्चिनः
विततः
विततः विततः
रश्मिरेषाम्
रश्मिरेषाम् रश्मिरेषाम्
अधस्विदासी
अधस्विदासी अधस्विदासी
उपरिस्विदासीत्
उपरिस्विदासी उपरिस्विदासी
रेतोधा आसन्
रेतोदासन् रेतोदासन्
महिमान आसन्
महिमान आसन् महिमान आसन्
स्वधा अवस्थात्
स्वदा अवस्थात् स्वदा अवस्थात्
प्रयतिः परस्तात्
प्रयति परस्तात् प्रयति परस्तात्
को अद्धावेद
को अद्धावेद को अद्धावेद को अद्धावेद
क इह प्रवोचते
क इह प्रवोचते क इह प्रवोचते
कुत आजाता
कुत आजाता कुत आजाता
कुत इयं विसृष्टिः
कुत इयं विसृष्टिः कुत इयं विसृष्टिः
अर्वाग्देवाः
अर्वाग्देवाः अर्वाग्देवाः
वाग्देवाः अर्वाग्देवाः means what is vag?
Vak is speech.
What is arvag?
Unwanted.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ದೇವರ
Silence.
Silence. Okay. Silence.
No, arvagdeva means even there was no speech.
Okay.
There was no sound. How everything has come out is what they're trying to tell. Arvagdeva asya visarjanaya, then sound came. Asya visarjanaya
अस्य विसर्जनाय अस्य विसर्जनाय
athako veda
अथाको वेद अथाको वेद
yata ababhuva
यत आबभूव यत आबभूव
what space bhusattaya parasmaipadi lit babhuva will come there. Don't break to bhava and all those. iyam visrishtihi
इयं विसृष्टिः इयं विसृष्टिः
yata ababhuva
यत आबभूव यत आबभूव
yadi vadadhe
यदि वा दधे यदि वा दधे
yadi vana
यदि वाना यदि वाना
yo asyadhyakshah
यो अस्याध्यक्षः यो अस्याध्यक्षः
parame vyoman
परमे व्योमन्
so angaveda
सो अङ्गवेद
yadi vana veda
यदि वानवेद
किग्स्विदं
किग्स्विदम्
अंक उसा
अङ्क उस
वृक्ष आसीत्
वृक्ष आसीत्
यतोऽद्यावा पृथिवी
यतोऽद्यावा पृथिवी
निष्टतक्षुः
निष्टतक्षुः
मनीषिणो मनसा
मनीषिणो मनसा मनीषिणो मनसा
पृच्छते दुतत्
पृच्छते दुतत् पृच्छते दुतत्
यदद्यतिष्ठत्
यदत्यतिष्ठत् यदत्यतिष्ठत्
भुवनानि धारयन्
भुवनानि धारयन् भुवनानि धारयन्
ब्रह्मवनम्
ब्रह्मवनम् ब्रह्मवनम्
ब्रह्म स वृक्ष आसीत्
ब्रह्म स वृक्ष आसीत् ब्रह्म स वृक्ष आसीत्
यतोऽद्यावा पृथिवी
यतोऽद्यावा पृथिवी यतोऽद्यावा पृथिवी
निष्टतक्षुः
निष्टतक्षुः निष्टतक्षुः
मनीषिणो मनसा
मनीषिणो मनसा मनीषिणो मनसा
बिभ्रवीमिवः
विब्रवीमिवः विब्रवीमिवः
यद्ब्रह्माद्यतिष्ठत् ब्रह्माद्यतिष्ठत्
ब्रह्माद्यतिष्ठत् ब्रह्माद्यतिष्ठत्
भुवनानि धारयन्
भुवनानि धारयन् भुवनानि धारयन्
प्रातरग्निम it will continue from here. After प्रातरग्निम नक्षत्र इष्टि.
Oh,
That's all. हो गया ending. That is the ending. इतना सब नक्षत्र में. You all know. I am telling you उदय शांति will go fast. 3 सूक्तम बोलो कितना जल्दी फटफट बोलते हैं.
आभिर्गीर्भिर्यततो न ऊनमाप्यायय हरिवो वर्तमान यथा स्तोत्रभ्यो मयि गोत्रा